Today we got a video from Crime on Body Cam, and the title of the video is Mother Got Arrested for Attacking Her Boyfriend While Already Facing Serious Charges.
On February 16, 2026, this incident highlights how repeated domestic disputes can quickly spiral into serious legal consequences. Officers responded to a situation involving a woman who had reportedly been involved in multiple physical altercations with her boyfriend. After an investigation, police arrived at her home to place her under arrest for domestic battery. What makes this case especially concerning is that emotions were already running high. The woman, a mother, was frustrated, angry, and dealing with the stress of another ongoing legal case. As officers attempted to take her into custody, she showed some resistance, creating an even more difficult situation for everyone involved. Toxic relationships often leave people emotionally exhausted, angry, and overwhelmed. But when law enforcement becomes involved, refusing to cooperate or allowing emotions to take control can lead to additional charges, greater legal problems, and even more hardship for the families involved. This video serves as a reminder that while relationship conflicts...
Come on, man. This is a long-ass intro, man. What am I looking at? What is this, man? 55 minutes in and we still ain't get to the footage yet?
Can be complicated. Violence and confrontation rarely solve anything. Let's take a look at the body cam footage and see how this encounter unfolded.
Okay, I'm gonna place you under arrest for domestic battery, all right? Do me a favor, go ahead and put your hands behind your back for me, okay? Well, hold on. That's all right, hold on. We gotta do this first, okay? All right? Relax, stop.
I don't want her in my house.
What's that?
I don't want her in my house when I'm down here.
Okay, can she at least get her stuff?
Yeah, but can you not arrest me? I got kids. I gotta leave my kids.
Okay. Where's your kids at?
With their fathers.
Okay.
So they have somebody taking care of them?
I do not want to be arrested. Can we go talk to her?
Hold on, stop pulling away from me, okay? Let me get these situated.
I'm fighting the whole
Why is the whole thing blurry? Boy, these body cam channels, boy, what's going on here? Man, y'all better get it together, man. Get it together. We are almost 2 minutes in, and I haven't seen nothing yet.
Hold on, I'll go over arrest for a second.
I do not want to be arrested.
Oh, I don't think anybody wants to be arrested.
So can you take this off of me?
Hold on, stop pulling away, okay? We're not trying to make this worse, all right? You just got really small wrists, and I don't want to make sure they're not too tight, okay? Do you have anything on you besides your phone?
No.
No? Okay. Do you still have the female officer out here?
Yeah.
Okay, can she search you?
Want her in here or out in the hallway?
Ain't no way this whole thing gonna be blurry.
You like my dog?
Top four, I got one female 95 at this time. I'll give you the name in a second.
Yeah. I'm fighting the case, bro. I'm fighting the whole case. Get over here. Get here. Are you coming through this way?
We're going to, yeah. I was hoping you could search her first.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you just take her up by the stairs?
What's she gonna do?
They'll tell you right now.
I'll talk to you in a minute, okay?
Can we go back in my house so you can get my keys?
No, we're gonna go outside, okay? I can get your keys in a minute. I can lock it and secure it, and I'll take it with your property, okay? Give me 1
Yeah,
second,
I'll do it down by the car.
That's fine.
Crazy, man. She bogus as hell.
Hold on.
I didn't do anything to you. You're not fighting the case. We're not gonna do anything. I'm just talking about.
Let's go. Come on.
You can have these and stuff and go get the kids.
Come on.
Really send me to jail?
Come on.
You sending me to jail then? I'm fighting the case.
Come on. We don't need to do all this.
We don't, but I want to make sure she like my boy.
I will take care of it.
I got you.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Keep going.
We
Come
just
on.
talk. Nope. I'm talking to him, not you.
Are you putting her on which side?
We can put her on the side.
All right, go ahead. Turn her. You don't have anything on you, right? No. You're not supposed to? Side your phone. Got anything else?
Can you make sure she like my dog?
Yeah, we'll make sure it gets locked.
But can you make sure she out
Spread your
before we
feet.
pull up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
I'm corroborating. I'm not doing anything. I just want to make sure my door is
You want me to bring your keys with you?
Yeah.
Okay.
For sure. It's in my. I don't even know what the hell is that.
It's what?
I don't even know where it's at.
All right, you're gonna have to tell me something on how to find them. Is this it?
Yep.
All right, cool.
Wait, can I just stand outside this? I don't
No, we're gonna put you in the car for right now, okay?
Do we need the door open? Nope. Put your feet. There you go. Can you call my mom?
What?
Boy, she is so needy. Can I stand outside? Can you leave the door open? Can I call my mom? Super, super needy, man. You going to jail, you're an adult. That's it. It's over. You get your phone call when you get down there.
Hey, so since you guys said that you guys had a fight last night too, and it got physical, do you need to see medics while they're here?
No, I don't need medics. It's
No?
not serious. I just want to call my mama and make
Okay.
sure my kids are situated before
All
I
right,
go
no
to
worries.
the
We'll take care of it. We're not going to take care of it right this second, but we'll take care of it in a little bit, okay?
As this case comes to an end, it serves as another reminder of how quickly toxic relationships can spiral out of control when conflicts are repeatedly handled through anger, violence, and poor decision-making. In this situation, officers arrived at the woman's home to arrest her on a domestic battery charge following an alleged physical altercation involving her boyfriend. According to the investigation, this wasn't an isolated disagreement but part of an ongoing pattern of disputes that had already drawn law enforcement attention. By the time officers arrived, tensions were already high, and the situation became even more complicated when she showed resistance and frustration during the arrest. It's understandable that emotions can run high when someone is facing criminal.
Oh, nah, y'all stretching it. Oh, no. Oh, no. Y'all, oh, no. What? This is the rest of the video? No way. You guys are stretching it, man. Tensions already right. Like, perhaps the most, like,
Exposure to repeated arguments, violence, and police involvement can create emotional stress and instability that lasts long after the incident itself is over. For parents, every arrest carries
what the fuck is he talking about? Nah, no way y'all put this up. What?
consequences. No matter how difficult a relationship may become, violence can affect families, finances, freedom, and future opportunities. As always, we'd like to hear your thoughts. Do you think this situation...
You got to be shitting me. You got to be shitting me. 900, no, 800 views on a channel with 95,000 subscribers? I know your subscribers is tight. Look at this. Person said, let me see. I just unsubscribed because I don't like the way you narrate. This is horrible. No way y'all put this up. Nah, this is insane. What happened here, I'm going to tell you what happened. Well, my guess, because I don't know what really happened, but
On February 16th, 2026,
my guess, all this weird stuff, my guess is that wherever they got the footage from or whatever, it wasn't a lot of footage. Clearly, right? Maybe, 4 minutes? 3 minutes of footage? And they made it stretch. That's why they did all the special edits in the beginning, the weird looking, and then at the end they just taking screenshots and got a long script of AI writing and stuff. This is the stuff I was talking about earlier, man. This is what I'm talking about. With the arrest cam situation, you can't distinguish the difference. You got stuff like this being put out there. Crime on body cam. Y'all do some decent stuff, but this, y'all was better off not putting this out at all. Like, this shouldn't even touch the YouTube, like, at all. Damn, this is bad. That's bad. I ain't gonna. That's bad. I don't even got nothing to say on the video itself, man. Nothing. I have no comment. But this video as itself, y'all should have kept this. Yeah, y'all was supposed to keep this in the Google Drive and just, put it in the archives and just put it on your hard drive, store it. But nah, you don't put no shit out like this. This is insane.